In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then you need to tap on Continue, select Allow, and click on this switcher next to Allow Permission. Finally, select those three lines at the top left corner and hit Clean. Then select Clean under Junk Files and hit Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.